Konnichiwa, welcome to How to Japanese series. In this video, you will learn the difference between kore, sore, are, dore versus kono, sono, ano, and dono. All of these Japanese words are used to point at things. There is another YouTube video you can find on my channel that talks about kore, sore, and are, and the differences between them. I would like to recommend that you watch that video first before you continue here if you're not familiar with kore, sore, and are. Since I assume that you are well versed in kore, sore, and are, I will now move on to kono, sono, and ano. Kono, sono, and ano are also words used for pointing at things. Kono is used to point at things closer to the speaker. Sono is used to point at things closer to the other party. And ano is used to point at things away from both parties. The biggest difference between kore, sore, are group and kono, sono, ano group is that kono, sono, and ano have to be followed by a noun. Therefore, it is probably better to think of kono, sono, and ano as the in English. In English, there is only one the, but in Japanese there are three, depending on how far away you are from the things you are trying to identify. Here we're going to look at how kono, sono, and ano are used. The store clerk is now going to tell the customer the price of each item. He will begin with the wallet, saifu. He can say, これは2000円です, meaning this is 2,000 yen, without mentioning the name of the object. Or he can say, この財布は2000円です, which means this wallet is 2,000 yen, or the wallet is 2,000 yen. Please note that he is using kore, this thing, since he is closer to the wallet. Or he can use kono to specify the name of the object, which is saifu. Please also note that kono cannot be used alone. It has to be followed by a noun. Let's move on to the hat. The store clerk says, それは3000円です, meaning that is 3,000 yen, without mentioning the name of the object. Or he can say, その帽子は3000円です, which means that hat near you is 3,000 yen, or the hat is 3,000 yen. Please note that he is using それ, that thing, since he is farther away from the hat than the customer. Or he can use その to specify the name of the object, which is 帽子. Please also know that その, just like この, cannot be used alone. It has to be followed by a noun. In this case, the hat. Now let's move on to the umbrella. He says, あれは1000円です, meaning that over there is 1,000 yen, without mentioning the name of the object. Or he can say, あの傘は1000円です, which means that umbrella over there is 1,000 yen, or the umbrella over there is 1,000 yen. Please note that he's using are, that thing over there, since the umbrella is away from both parties. Or he can use ano to specify the name of the object, which is kasa. Again, ano cannot be used alone. It has to be followed by a noun, in this case, kasa. There are 3 sets of images here, and the woman would like to know how much the book is. Please pay special attention to the distance between her, the man, and the book. For the top set of images, she would say, これはいくらですか? How much is this thing? Without specifying the noun. Or she can also say, この本はいくらですか? Which means how much is the book near me? By specifying the object's name with この. Please note that she is using これ and この because she is closer to the object. For the middle set of images, she would say, あれはいくらですか? How much is that thing? Without specifying the noun. Or, あの本はいくらですか? Which means, how much is the book over there by specifying the object's name with ano. Please note that she is using are and ano because both parties are away from the book. For the bottom set of images, she would say, それはいくらですか? How much is that thing near you without specifying the now? Or, その本はいくらですか? Which means, how much is the book near you by specifying the object's name with その. Please note that she is using それ and その because she is away from the object and the other party is closer. これ、それ、あれ group has a question word. It is どれ and it means which or which one, which thing. Let's see how it is used in the dialogue between the store clerk and the customer. すみません。これはいくらですか?
どれですか?
この本です。
1500円です。
じゃあ、この本をください。The customer asks how much is this? Since there are multiple items and the store clerk does not know which one, he asks,
どれですか?
どれ means which one. The customer then specifies the book using この since she is closer to all of the objects. In the end, she decides to take the book saying この本をください. Similarly, この、その、あの group also has a question word. It is どの and it means which, and it has to be followed by a noun as you will hear in this dialogue. すみません。この本はいくらですか?
どの本ですか?
この日本語の本です。
4000円です。
そうですか。どうも。The customer asks how much is this book. Since there are multiple books and the store clerk does not know which one, he asks,
どの本ですか?
It means which book. Please note that dono is followed by a noun. Upon being asked, the customer says, この日本語の本です. She uses この, which is followed by 日本語の本 to specify the noun. After the customer learns the book costs 4,000 yen, she just says, oh really, thanks, which means she probably decides to walk away without buying anything. I hope this video has helped you understand the difference between these two groups of words that are used to point at things in Japanese. Please remember that この, その, あの, and どの always have to be followed by a noun. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Please also look for the other videos that may help you with your Japanese. Thank you for watching. ではまた。